Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016, the Ford Edge. Stock number is 6817. A virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this Edge up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. I like those rims and tires. Making our way around the passenger side and the rear. This is the SEL edition, of course. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Now let's make our way down the driver's side and go on inside the interior and take a look. You're going to find that it's absolutely impeccable. No rips, no tears, no stains. Ample room in the rear. Transporting friends, family. Absolutely fully loaded. You know this Escape or this Edge is not going to last long. Do me a favor. I got to get my vehicles right. For more information on this Edge, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you, earn your business, and get ready to save. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.